Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, I will guide you on how to download YouTube videos to your phone's gallery without any app. So let's dive right in. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile if you're using Android. If you're using iOS, then open the Apple App Store. Now search for YouTube. Next, tap on the YouTube app. Make sure you're using the updated version of YouTube, as this trick may not work in older versions. To begin, tap on the Open button. Now find the desired video you wish to download. Tap on the video, then swipe the options below the video, where you will find the Download button. Simply tap on the Download button, then choose your preferred video quality. Unfortunately, 1080p and 720p quality are now in the premium plan of YouTube. If you want to enjoy high quality in offline mode, you may need to subscribe to the premium plan of YouTube. Select the quality and tap on the Download button. The downloading process will start. Now, go back to YouTube and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Here you will find all the videos that you have downloaded from YouTube. You can simply enjoy these videos without any internet connection. Now let's move towards saving the video into your mobile gallery from your YouTube channel. First, make sure you have installed the YouTube Studio app on your mobile device. Open the YouTube Studio app on your device, then tap on the Content option from the tools at the bottom. Here in the Contents, you will find all the videos that you have uploaded to your YouTube channel. To download the video, simply tap on the three dots next to the video, then choose the Save to Device option. The download process will start, and you can see it in the notifications. Once the video is downloaded, simply tap on it to play the video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.